Hello everyone, my name is Angelo, and in today's video, I will show you guys on how to buy bread directly on the Coinbase wallet app. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to have the Coinbase wallet app. So if you don't have it, download it right now. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to your web browser. And then what you want to do is just go to coinmarketcap.com. And then once you're there, what you want to do is just search up for bread. So make sure that the bread that you're choosing is bread base. So just click on that. And then once you're here, what you want to do is just scroll down until you see contracts right here. So what you want to do is just copy this base contract right here just by clicking on this copy button right here. Click on that, and then there you go, it's now been copied. And then what you want to do now is exit out of here and then just go open up the Coinbase wallet app. And then once you're in the Coinbase wallet app, what you want to do is just go to browser right here, and then what you want to do is just go to the search bar and then just search up for Uniswap. And then once you're here, just click on Uniswap and then you'll be redirected here. So the first thing that you need to do is to change your token bridge. So to change your token bridge, what you want to do is just click on this icon right here beside the magnifying glass. Just click on that. And then what you want to do is just change it to base right there. Click on that. And then there you go. So once you're here, what you want to do now is to set your sell. So you can set it to anything you want. So you can set it to Ethereum, to any crypto that you want. So for me, I'll just leave it at Ethereum. And then after that, what you want to do now is to select the token. So just click on select token, and then what you want to do is to just paste the address that you got from coinmarketcap.com. And then what you want to do is just click on search, and then as you can see, the bread crypto will pop up. So just click on bread right there, and then it will tell you that this token isn't traded on leading US centralized exchanges or frequently swap on Uniswap. Always conduct your own research before trading. So once you're sure that you want to buy the bread token, just click on I understand, and then there you go. Now from here, you can now input the value on how many bread tokens you want to buy. So as an example, I'll just put 10 Ethereum, and as you can see, I'll get 250,000 worth of bread coins. So yeah, so once you're done, just click on confirm, and then you are now able to buy your bread coins. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to buy bread directly on Coinbase wallet app. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.